Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are a new viewer, don't forget to click the subscribe button. Today I prepared a video about how you can construct and apply a nourishing deep conditioner treatment to your hair. This particular 10-minute conditioner is used for when you're in a rush and you have to quickly lock some moisture into your hair and keep it moving. I had just taken my hair down from a style and I was actually preparing my hair to get braided back up because I had to catch a flight the next morning. So here is right after I took the style out of my hair. I just quickly went through it with some VO5 conditioner. I use that as like a pre-poo / detangling treatment. I take the VO5 conditioner, I apply it to my hair, and I gently finger detangle it and try to get it separated and ready for wash. So here I'm just showing you the products I'm going to be working with. I'm using my Shea Moisture Low Porosity Conditioner. This is the VO5 conditioner that I use as a pre-poo / detangler. The primary ingredient in this cocktail conditioner is going to be my Sunny Isle Jamaican Black Castor Oil Conditioner, the Intensive Hydration Repair. I have half an avocado. And here I've already blended up the other half of the avocado, my Jamaican Black Castor Oil, and my Shea Moisture Low Porosity. Now I'm stuck in between a rock and a hard place trying to identify if my hair is high porosity or low porosity. What I do know is that when I tried this low porosity conditioner, I was freaking out. Like, it really did something to my hair that I had never seen happen before. It was super shiny, super soft, super slick. And then upon doing more research, I found that possibly my hair is high porosity. I don't know. The concept of this whole low porosity, high porosity thing really just has thrown me for a loop. So if you have any alternate suggestions of how I can identify what type of hair I have, please leave me a comment below. Like, I really don't know what's going on. Also in the cocktail conditioner is peppermint oil. For this amount that I have here, I put in, I think, like 7 or 8 drops. The thing with peppermint oil is it's really good and stimulating for your scalp and your hair follicles. But if you go overboard, like, girl, your head is going to be burning. So be careful with the peppermint oil. So here I'm just going in with my comb to get the stuck conditioner off the side. Make sure that avocado is mixed up nicely. And then my liquid aminos. I was all over the place this day, so I forgot to add my liquid aminos as well. So I'm just putting in, okay, about 2 tablespoons. And then of course the active ingredient in my conditioner cocktails, baking soda. Now if you're wondering why the heck I'm adding baking soda to my conditioner cocktail, it's because baking soda is an active ingredient and it helps to further open up the pores on your hair strands so that your hair can better drink up your conditioner. Here I'm just checking the consistency and then shampooing. Now the shampoo that you see on the strands of my hair are literally just what ran down from my roots, and clearly, like, the parts on the side, I'm touching it with the shampoo. But my point in saying this is always focus your shampoo to the roots of your hair. Of course, unless you're going for like a clarifying clean, which is a whole nother story. But for 4C girls, you really want to keep as much moisture in your hair as possible, and constantly scrubbing your strands to death with shampoo is just really not going to help. Most of the time I use co-washes, but for this I had just taken out a style and then I was going into another, so I wanted to make sure I got a good clean scrub on my scalp. This day I was trying out Cantu shampoo. I don't remember exactly what type it was. I had just placed an order for some main choice and I was not in the mood. Well, my pockets were not in the mood to buy another high-end shampoo. So I figured I'd give Cantu a try and see what it could do. I don't have much to say about it. It did clean my scalp. It didn't You know, as you see here, it didn't do anything spectacular to my hair. Didn't do anything bad to it either. It smelled good, but it didn't necessarily perfume my hair. All in all, it was just blah. So once my hair is nice and shampooed, I'm going right in with the conditioner. You see those loose, broken off strands of hair that are like tangled into my hair? This is how I get rid of those. I take my conditioner and I work it through the tips of my hair, and the conditioner gives my hair enough moisture and slip to just slide those tangled pieces of hair out so that I'm not doing any additional damage to my hair trying to detangle it. You'll see those hairs just start to slide right out on their own. And no additional damage. Here's my hair with the conditioner cocktail fully applied. And here's my hair with the conditioner cocktail rinsed out. As you can see, it's definitely a major change from where I started in the beginning. My hair is definitely more moisturized and hydrated and now ready to be styled again.